गणपते नमः।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Aditya 11 Triple T. Today we have a case of HP laptop whose problem is when we try to connect the power. After connecting the power, we try to power on. Motherboard is getting on, you can see the light blinks. Along with that, the problem comes that caps light starts blinking 2 times and there is no display. So today we are going to see how we can solve this type of issues. So first we are going to open the laptop and see the BIOS region part, because in this type of issue my first suspect goes to the CMOS battery as well as the BIOS part. Okay guys, we have removed all the screws now. So we have opened the back cover. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to remove the CMOS cell over here and check whether the display is coming or not. So for that I'll take one second. Because the screw is stuck over here, so I'm not opening the full cover. If by just removing the CMOS cell my display is coming, then we don't need to do anything, because due to CMOS lock, that is CMOS reset also, the display gets stuck many a times if the laptop is off for a long time. So the first thing, I am removing the battery and check the display, then we will do anything further, because this is the basic thing which we should do before doing any other further checking. Because my laptop was getting on, so my first moral responsibility is to remove the CMOS and check. So I have removed the CMOS battery. So let me first open the lid and check. While opening, please be very careful, because this is base and upper part is connected to one single screw itself, so be very careful, else it will break. So I am connecting the I'll connect the charger first. So we have connected the charger and I'm trying to power on, and let's see whether the display is up or not. So you can see the display is coming. That means this was a case of your CMOS battery lock. Now this was a very simple case and basic thing which you can understand. Due to a CMOS battery also, there could be a reason of no display if the power gets locked, and if your motherboard is off for a long time, this may create a issue and your laptop may come to no display state. So just a CMOS battery removing can solve your issue. So thanks for watching Aditya 11 Triple T. Hope you like our channel. Do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. And if you like to join our training program, you can just contact us from the game number in the description below. Thanks a lot.